Midjourney's new remix feature has unleashed a whole new realm of possibility inside of AI art. I'm going to share with you 5 exciting ways to make the most of remix mode. So if you want to follow along, remember to turn remix on in settings inside of Midjourney, and you can also watch this overview for all the basics. Number 1 is you can take your old works and turn them into tiles. This allows you to put them on fabrics, on beddings, and on merchandise. I've taken this old pug and I've turned him into a repeating tile where you get this beautiful guy endlessly, seamlessly repeating. I've also done the same with this poster that I created and turned it into this mesmeric repeating pattern. And to do that, come into your profile, find the job that you want, click on the 3 dots, go to copy job ID in the Discord channel, type /show, paste the job ID, then come to make variations and add -- tile to the end. The next thing you can do is show time passing. So you can show scenes going from day to night or from the present moment to the future. And then what you can do is you can use a tool like frame interpolation from Hugging Face to animate easily between these sequences. Here you can see the scene going from a utopia to a desolate wasteland. Another interesting thing to do is to change the genders of your portraits. So you can go back and work on any piece and turn them from men into women or women into men. And once again, this is a good thing that works with the interpolation animation. You can see the person forming, morphing from one to another. Now, a feature that many people have been looking to use inside of Midjourney is creating stories for comic books and having recurring characters. And that becomes a lot more possible with the advent of remixing. You can see here that I've added a character to this coastal scene sitting in the corner. And to do that, all I did was added a woman sitting in the foreground to the beginning of the prompt. And you can also add images as references inside of your remixed prompts. Another fun thing to do is to change materials inside of your architectural works. So you can change things from glass and steel to wood. And a big tip for using remixing is if you're not happy with the results you have, I encourage you to keep trying and working on the variations. It took me 8 or 9 steps to go from this human to this goat. This is a powerful new feature that gives you more control than ever before inside of Midjourney. You can really harness your own art direction to create specific scenes. If you're interested in learning more about Midjourney, I've got an entire course on Udemy where I break down every single feature available in this revolutionary new tool. Check it out in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to stay notified for the latest AI art news. I'm Samson Voles. This is Delightful Design. Have a delightful day.